What's up, everyone? Today, we have something exciting about dairy goats, a valuable asset for farmers around the world. These hardy animals are not only easy to manage, but also provide a consistent source of income through their milk production. They provide nutritious milk that can be consumed fresh, offering a rich source of vitamins and minerals essential for a healthy diet. Goat milk is known for its digestibility and is often preferred by those with lactose intolerance. Additionally, goat milk can be used to make a variety of delicious dairy products such as cheese, yogurt, and even specialty items like kefir and ice cream. These products not only diversify the farmers' offerings, but also cater to a growing market of health-conscious consumers. Maximizing milk production is crucial for the economic success of any dairy goat operation. Efficient milk production ensures that farmers can meet market demands and maintain a steady income. Higher milk yields translate directly to increased profits for farmers. By optimizing feeding practices, maintaining proper healthcare, and ensuring a stress-free environment, farmers can significantly boost their milk production. By focusing on key aspects of goat care such as nutrition, health management, and proper milking techniques, farmers can ensure their herds are producing at their full potential. Regular veterinary checkups and a balanced diet are essential components of a successful dairy goat operation. This essay will explore some essential tips for maximizing milk production in dairy goats. From selecting the right breed to implementing effective farm management practices, we will cover everything you need to know to enhance your dairy goat operation. Just like humans, goats need a balanced diet to thrive and produce milk efficiently. A well-rounded diet ensures that dairy goats remain healthy, energetic, and capable of producing high-quality milk. A diet rich in energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals is essential for high milk production. These nutrients support not only milk yield but also the overall health and well-being of the goats. High-quality forage should form the foundation of the goat's diet. Forage provides the necessary fiber and nutrients that are crucial for the digestive health of the goats. This includes grasses, legumes, and hay. These components are rich in essential nutrients and help maintain a balanced diet. In addition to forage, goats need concentrated feeds like grains. Grains are an excellent source of energy and help meet the higher nutritional demands during peak lactation periods. These provide extra energy and protein, especially during lactation. Ensuring that dairy goats receive a mix of forage and concentrated feeds is key to maintaining their health and optimizing milk production. Choosing the right goat breeds is fundamental for maximizing milk production. Some breeds like the Saanen and Nubian are known for their high milk yields. When selecting goats for breeding, consider their lineage and milk production records. Proper breeding practices such as artificial insemination can help maintain and improve the genetic potential of the herd. Section 4. Milking Matters. Best practices for optimal output. Milking is a crucial aspect of dairy goat management that directly impacts milk production. Establishing a consistent milking schedule is vital. Goats are creatures of habit and respond well to routine. Maintaining hygiene during milking is essential to prevent contamination of the milk. This includes washing hands, wearing clean gloves, and sanitizing milking equipment. Section 5. Keeping goats healthy. Disease prevention and herd management. Ensuring the health of your dairy goats is paramount to maintaining a productive and thriving herd. A healthy goat is a productive goat. Healthy goats not only produce more milk, but also have better quality milk, which is essential for dairy operations. Disease prevention is critical for maintaining a high-producing dairy herd. Regular health checks by a veterinarian can help catch potential issues early. Biosecurity measures such as isolating new animals and quarantining sick goats can prevent the spread of diseases. This is especially important when introducing new goats to your herd. Regular vaccination is essential to protect goats from common diseases that can affect milk production. Vaccines help build immunity and keep the herd healthy. Internal parasites can significantly reduce milk yield. They can cause weight loss, poor coat condition, and overall health decline in goats. Regular deworming is crucial to control parasite loads. Deworming schedules should be followed diligently to ensure goats remain healthy and productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more valuable content. See you in the next one.